Question 27. A rafter takes people across Avro River, doubling everyone's money in their pocket during this trip. One trip costs 24 coins and you pay at the end of the trip. Alfonso went across the river 3 times. Unfortunately, after paying for the last trip, he had no coins left in his pocket. How many coins did Alfonso have before the first trip? So, how we can solve this question is we can think of it as at the end he had zero money, right? The money kept doubling as the trip went, and you have to have $24 per trip. So we have to work backwards from here. What we'll do is, because we have 24 plus 0, we'll half that, which will give me 12. So at the start of the third trip, he had 12 coins. So now we're going to do the same for that. Now we know he had 24 plus 12 divided by 2. 24 plus 12 is 36. 36 divided by 2 is 13. So 36 divided by 2 is 18. So that's for second trip, beginning of the second trip. 18 plus 24 divided by 2. 18 plus 24 is 42. Divided by 2 is 21. So the first trip he had 21 coins and he started off that. So it's a little confusing, but that's how it is.